All right. My name is Dr. Martin Motes, and I'm a research associate at Fairchild Tropical Gardens. And we thought down at Fairchild that it might be nice to encourage everyone to get out and do a little bit of container gardening. And with that end in mind, I wanted to show you some of the things that we're doing down here. First, of course, and foremost comes tomatoes, because man does not live by bread alone. You must also have vine-ripened tomatoes, and they're easily grown at this time of year. And although commercial growers stop producing them here in South Florida, it's still possible to grow them much further into the summer than they are done commercially. The next thing on our list of really great things to grow are green onions. These have been grown from onion sets, and even a small container, much smaller than this, can grow a large number of them. And you actually get more onion for the buck than you do with store-bought ones, because the entire onion is undamaged, and you get to use nearly all of the green part. As you remove some, you can just reset some other onion sets in the vacant spaces, and you can go from there with a little bit of extra fertilizer, and you're fine. Over here, we're growing a number of Japanese greens and Chinese greens, which all grow very, very readily here. But also there are a number of weeds in here, and this particular weed is a weed that you want to have. This is Amaranthus viridis, Callaloo, and if you plant it just one time, it will show you the reason for the saying that 1 year seeds, 7 years weeds. But this plant is the most delicious cooked spinach that you have ever tasted. And we're going to pull some more of these and add them to the pot that we have in the house. There's another lovely edible weed in these, growing among these also, which is this plant, Portulaca oleracea, or purslane. And it is another delicious salad green. Oleracea means the the specific epithet, is the oily one that is good to eat. So here you can see we have these colorful tatsoys and mustards and pak choys, and this pretty little mustard green, which goes great in salads, is called Mizuna. And the tatsoys, as you can see, also can be very, very attractive. Leaf, spoon-shaped leaves, very delicious in salads, very, very easily grown, and very quick. What you're looking at here in my hands was sown just 3 weeks ago. So it's a very, very rapid, good crop that you should probably think about getting established on your patio or in your yard in containers. And that, in brief, is some of the best things to grow at this time of year in containers. Thank you. Hope you all stay healthy and well.